Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and welcome to all of the new members to the group. Usually, I do videos for 3 days of the weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and Wednesday and Friday. I try to come live. I try to do different type of videos, like concentrating some on lips and some on shadows, some on what is it, like for half of makeup, half of skincare. So it's a mix of everything. That's how you see the group, and there are plenty of info, and you can always ping me for any questions if you have. And I would love to hear from you on what your expectations will be, and just enjoy the group. There is plenty of stuff that goes on, and I really love how we all can support each other and cheer each other. And if you have already seen, I have done my favorite pinks. I think I have done my favorite reds. The favorite red was like what is it, like a blast. Like, I mean, I got so many queries for that, so I thought, why not I do browns, because till I tried this Lipsons, I never wore any browns. Even for my eye look, if you see today, it's such a simple eye look. It's just with Candid Cocoa Shimmer, which was like when introduced, it was a sold out shade, so it came back to permanent line. So that's how these shades are like really good. Like, I mean, browns can work for any skin tone, and it really looks for everyday look too. So I just used Candid Cocoa Shimmer along with a little bit of garnet, and I have used Starry Sky liner with black brown pencil. So that's all I have done for my eyes. But I really like to create these kind of very simple ones which everybody can recreate. I think for my reds and all, I did 5, but brown I found it really difficult, so I picked 6 of them. So that's what we are going to see. Out of this 6, I think only 2 are limited editions. No, 3 limited editions and 3 permanent lines. So that's how I picked it. So let's see one by one. So the first one I have picked is Velvet. It's a sold out shade. The collection was sold out. It came as a part of a collection called Everyday Lipsons collection that had 3 colors, and Velvet is out of 3 my favorite. And it's a very nice everyday shade. If you are someone who love Bella, it's almost similar to that, but in a sheer consistency. So that's the difference between Bella versus Velvet, I would say. So here it is a perfect everyday shade. I just have one last one left for you to grab. As I said, it's a sold out shade, so it's not available in the website also to grab. It's a neutral brown pink with a matte finish. So here you see it's a very sheer shade, and it's like it has a very slight tint of mauve to it, but it goes really smooth on the lips. I love it with glossy, but you can always top it with matte gloss. This color is being a matte color, it will go very well with Bella Matte, or even with a normal clear matte gloss too. So that's the first shade, and here is the swatch for Velvet. So the next one I picked is Cocoa, and here is the swatch. You can see it's a very shimmery one. It's a warm shimmer. If gold jewelry will look good on you, that means you are a warm tone. So I really love Cocoa. Cocoa is a rich medium warm brown with gold shimmer on it. The tube itself you will be able to see the shimmer. Actually, it's more of a frosty look, but it has a nice what is it, like um, gold shimmer to it, and you can top it with even the gold glitter glass. It will look amazingly well, and that is the one I'm wearing for today. So Cocoa is the next one. So it's more of a rich one when compared to this. You can see it's a little darker, but it's a shimmer shade. So basically it depends on your preference whether you like a matte color or a shimmer shade. I like when the color itself has that little bit of shimmer to it. So this is Cocoa on me. The next one is Caramel Latte. This is again a permanent lip color, and here you can see it's again another warm what is it, like a warm shimmer, but it has a coral tint to it. It's a warm medium coral brown with the shimmer again. So here, even though it's a brown, it is mix of what is it, like a brown and coral tint. So caramel latte is comparatively lighter than cocoa but still has the shimmer to it. So this is again a very nice shade if you never tried brown and you are a first timer and you don't want it to have it too dark, then this will be a really nice choice for you to wear. It will be almost like what is it, like a nude brown, but it will have that little bit of shimmer to it. So that is the third shade I picked. So far this is a limited edition, whereas these two are from our permanent line. So the next one is another favorite of mine. It's called Glam Doll. During fall season, if you see me, I might have worn this color really a lot because it's such a rich shade, I would say. You can see how it's more of a berry kind of brown. So it's like a red brown, and again this is a matte shade, and it's the limited edition, and it's a neutral shade. So usually we have it as cool tone, warm tone, and neutral tone. So neutral tone means that goes well on every single person. So if you are a first timer, then and a matte lover, Glam Doll is the must have in your Lipson's line. That's how I will put it. I really like, because when you apply, the color goes on really smooth, and it enhances our skin tone. So Glam Doll used to be my all-time favorite during fall time. So you can see how rich the shade is. It's more of berry tone, but it has a brown tint to it. So that's why it's called a red brown actually. So the next in line is Nutmeg. This is a frost shade. So when it comes to Lipsons, we separate it in two different ways. One is where we call it as warm tone, cool tone, and neutral. The same way we call it matte, frost, and shimmer. So depending upon how you like it, you can pick the shades from those kind of separations. But pretty much I like every single tone. Like, I don't prefer to separate it whether it's a cool tone or warm tone. It basically how it coordinates with your outfit. That's how I see it, because if I have a yellow and all, I like to wear these kind of browns because they coordinate so well. So here it is the frost shade. That means the color will have like a pearly tint, like a how you call a frosty glass. The similar way, the color will not be too prominent. At the same time, it will have a nice sheen to it, but it's not glitters. Whereas if you see, cocoa is a shimmer. Here Nutmeg is a frost. You can see it has like a nice sheen to it. At the same time, it's still a deep brown with a touch of orange again. So here you have a coral. This is a orange tint, whereas this is red brown. So each color is made little different from each other. That is how I picked today's line. And Nutmeg is again from our permanent line, Lipson's color. The last one here is the Espresso. I recently own it in one of my Senagen shirt, and everybody loved that because this is such a rich matte brown. Again, here it's a warm tone. I think out of all today's colors are always all around warm or neutral tone. That means most of my group will be able to wear it. They all are warm or cool, neutral tones. So you can see it's a rich deep brown, and it's a matte color, and it will go very well with the matte gloss. I am a glossy person, so basically it depends on how you like it. So if you like matte finish, then I will suggest you to go with matte gloss. If you're a first timer, you always need to grab a Lipson's color of your choice and a gloss of your choice, and then the remover to remove end of day. Or if you make any mistakes, for example, a color like this, you cannot wipe it around, because with Lipson's it's going to be smudge resistant and all day wear. So you have oops remover to remove it safely at the end of day. Or as I mentioned, even if you make a mistake, oops remover will be used to just correct that mistake instead of taking all out. So as you see, Lipson's will not move at all. Even whether you drink water, you eat food, lunch, anything, it's going to stay all day. So that's the advantage with Lipson's. And winter, if you are someone who has dry chapped lips, you need to try Lipsons with Glossy Gloss, because you will see how your lips get moisturized by wearing it, and also during summer Lipsons acts as your sunscreen and protect your lips from the UV and UVB rays. So those are the 6 shades I have it for today. So the first one is obviously Velvet, which is very what is it, like light matte lip color, and it's a limited edition. As I mentioned, I just have one last one for you to grab. The next one will be Cocoa. So that's the one here. So it's a shimmer with a brown shade. So that's from our permanent line. The next one is Caramel Latte, which has a coral tint. Again, it's a shimmer. So that's again from our permanent line. And the next one is Glam Doll, which is a limited edition matte shade. So it's a red brown. So that's the 4th shade. And the last two are Nutmeg, which is a frost, which has again a shimmer to it. It's not a shimmer, I would say, it's more of a frosty look, but it has a nice gold finish to it. And the last one is again the dark brown, which is the Espresso, again our limited edition. So today's look, we had 3 of the limited editions and 3 of the permanent line. So limited editions are released throughout, but we'll be able to grab only until it gets sold out, or sometimes I used to have it in stock. So you can grab from me or you can order it from the website. So that's the one I wanted to cover for today. So if you have never tried brown, let me know which one you will be interested in trying, and just give it a try. And being Lipsons can have what is it, like a mix, you can pre-mix and layer it. You will have tons of colors to be made once you carry what is it, like pink or red. There is like so many options that you can mix and match. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.